Today, we're about to unveil a captivating world of innovation where cutting-edge technology meets the comfort of your own space. Get ready to witness 16 coolest gadgets that'll transform your room and redefine how you experience your surroundings. From mood-enhancing lighting solutions to smart home automation, we've got it all covered. So, join us in this exciting journey and let's explore how these ingenious inventions are changing how we interact with our homes. Number 1. Alpine Corporation Indoor Bubble Wall. Turn water into a captivating decoration with this bubble wall. Watch bubbles dance, accompanied by a soft light show that changes hue. It's a soothing addition to any workspace or a delightful way to start your day. Number 2. LOKLiK Crafter Cutting Machine. Need to make cards, stickers, labels, or more? This cutting machine is your answer. It's equipped with an upgraded motor to slice through the contours of your printed images, even intricate patterns. Plus, it can switch to drawing mode for you. Thanks to noise-canceling technology, it operates quietly at 70 dB. Install the app, pair it with the cutting machine, and download the image you want to cut or draw. From now on, whether you need a label, a greeting card, a fancy pic, or a garden design, make sure you have this versatile tool nearby. Number 3. BoBo Pro 2.0 Board. Elevate exercise to a thrilling game with this ingenious device. Improve coordination and balance by tilting the board, controlling fun and challenging programs that target your core muscles. It's compatible with various free games and training sessions, complete with a sensor to track your every move. Get up in under 5 minutes for exercise anytime, anywhere. Number 4. Bitcoin Desk Table Clocks. No more ads or bad news. This sleek clock delivers essential information with a touch of beauty. Connect it to Wi-Fi and you'll have the date, weather, and cryptocurrency prices at your fingertips. Thanks to lightning-fast tracking. Get in on the crypto action in seconds with this compact powerhouse. Number 5. Xiaomi Mijia PP Lamp. This lamp is not just practical but also playful. Control it with gestures and watch it switch off with a shake. Give it a gentle pat and it'll lean your way, but it's not all whimsy. It's highly functional, tracking your hand movements for perfect lighting. Number 6. Music Sync Lights. Unpacking time is about to get more exciting with these music sync lights. This retro-looking lamp offers millions of colors and multiple color modes, all easily adjustable with buttons on the lamp's body. There's also a more compact version with similar functions. Both options sync with music beats, creating captivating lighting effects. It's the TV you've always wanted for your space. Number 7. 3-in-1 Wireless Charging Night Light. Tired of cluttered desks? This charging station multitasks with flair. Charge your phone or earbuds, light up your night with adjustable brightness levels, and serve as a kickstand for video calls or keeping your phone in view. Who said workouts can't be fun? Number 8. FansDreams Pi Foldable Lap Desks. There is no need for a full office with this nifty stand that transforms into 6 different stands for tablets and laptops. Built to handle up to 44 lb, it's your go-to for comfortable work or leisure, whether you're on the couch or in bed. Customize the stand's angle and secure it with integrated magnets. When it's time to stow it away, its slim profile ensures hassle-free storage. Number 9. RayQ 128K. A delightful blend of nostalgia and modern tech, this retro-style dock boasts 14 docking ports, a Bluetooth speaker, a 3.5-inch IPS color screen, and extra laptop display capabilities. Charge your phone and laptop simultaneously, play music, and stay informed. A portable keypad is a bonus for tech enthusiasts. Number 10. CouchConsole Cup Holder Tray. Make snacking a breeze with this organizer featuring compartments for drinks, snacks, a phone, and a remote control. The self-balancing cup holder ensures your drink stays upright, and there's even a phone stand and a USB-C charging cable. It's a convenient addition for any couch-loving individual. Number 11. OmniCharge Omni 40. A dock with fewer outputs but an integrated display with essential information. It may double as a laptop stand. For the health conscious, a tent can turn your bed into a haven of relaxation and me time, complete with special pockets for devices, hooks for lanterns, and a top mesh vent for fresh air. Number 12. Charging stand with LED light. Designed for wireless charging enthusiasts, this stand accommodates your phone, AirPods, Apple Watch, and even your iPad. It features a suction cup to secure your iPad and an adjustable night light for your nightstand. Number 13. 7-Color Flame Aroma Diffuser. A perfect substitute for a real fireplace, this diffuser moisturizes and disperses your favorite scent while offering a choice of colors. Add water, a few drops of oil, set the timer, and enjoy 7 hours of aromatic bliss. Number 14. Raincloud Humidifier Water Drip. Fall asleep to the gentle sound of raindrops with this diffuser that elevates your space with fragrances and creates a tranquil atmosphere. With a full container, it can operate for up to 24 hours, and it's a versatile companion for reading, sleeping, working, or yoga. Number 15. Slight LED Desk Lamp. Good lighting with precise color reproduction is essential. This lamp boasts 2 dynamic LED bars you can adjust to your liking, banishing flickering lights that cause headaches and eye strain. Enjoy steady, flicker-free illumination for comfortable work or study sessions. With a color rendering index exceeding 90, your workspace comes alive with vibrant colors, whether reading, writing, or tackling any task. Warm, neutral, or cool lighting options are just a touch away. Number 16. Beston Indoor Bed Tent. At home, you may not have kids to hide from, but a bed tent can create your personal sanctuary. It's perfect for relaxation, reading, or watching a movie with special pockets for devices, hooks for lanterns, and a top mesh vent for fresh air without condensation. And that completes our video for today. We hope you enjoyed learning the 16 incredible gadgets in 2023. Which of them are you most excited about? Tell us in the comments below. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more content such as this.